In industry and construction, tree removal bulldozers play an extremely important role in cleaning and preparing sites for projects. Join us to admire their outstanding power and impressive working ability through the following video. In eastern Kentucky, a new habitat management technique called palm stringing is intended to help rid land of fall olive tree encroachment, allowing elk here to thrive. They used two large D6 Caterpillar bulldozers weighing 40 tons to pull the two ends of a giant chain to form an arc, sweeping all the plants and trees where they passed, quickly bringing them to a flat surface as desired. Can you imagine how big this oak tree is? When the Caterpillar 953 excavator weighed nearly 20 tons, it still fit within its canopy. But in the end, the oak tree was still knocked down with just one push. For such a huge, tall tree, the Yanmar VIO50 excavator spent quite a lot of time struggling with it. But in the end, the tree was taken down. It seems that removing a large tree with this John Deere 35G mini excavator is so easy. In less than 1 minute, the tree lay still on the ground. During the process of building mountain climbing trails, this Volvo excavator is trusted to clear trees on both sides of the road, creating open space and convenient for carrying out construction work. Excavator showed its power not only to effectively remove trees, but it also ensures safety and saves time for trail projects that require versatility and the ability to traverse complex terrain. With just a single push, the Bobcat E50 took down a large tree. This shows us that this excavator is not just a tool, but a symbol of strength in the construction industry. With nearly 185 horsepower, this Caterpillar 320L track carry excavator is great for taking down a giant oak tree. Looking at this giant poplar tree that is more than 50 years old, few people would dare to think that it would be knocked down by this excavator in such a short time. He was very satisfied because thanks to this excavator, he removed this large tree easily without harming the surrounding environment. It's great that this mini excavator still works powerfully and easily with larger trees than I expected. Removing trees with this excavator helps clean all tree stumps and roots, saving time and costs for land reclamation and using the site for the next project. The driver shared that the time to remove this oak tree was difficult because the soil was too hard and the root depth was more than 12 feet. But fortunately, after digging the surrounding soil, Cat 953C was able to push this oak tree down. This giant tree seems to be too much for a mini bulldozer. Thanks to the help of the sawyer, the tree finally fell on the ground. Grip and Rip Tree Tractor with sturdy and flexible clamp design helps lift trees off the ground easily and enhances user safety. The Bobcat Mini Excavator was selected to clear 53 acres of forest land on a Southern Illinois land management project because of its power and good work efficiency.
There she goes! Whoa!
This tree has roots that go deep into the ground. To remove it, the Kubota L39 wheel loader must dig up the surrounding soil before it can be pushed down. This is a challenge to the machine's power and flexibility, but also a testament to the technology's impressive performance in handling such difficult work. With the outstanding power of the Deere 50D Mini Excavator, it is pulling up each small tree with ease. Amazed when you witness the powerful destructive power of this shark-toothed separator. With its powerful and efficient working ability, this tree root destroyer has become an effective assistant in the land and environmental management industry. Equipped with cutting blades and high-performance hydraulic system, the FH20R ensures precise and fast tree stump removal, saving time and labor costs. Destroying maple tree stumps becomes easy with the Volvo EC60E Mini Excavator combined with a sharp blade. These sharp teeth challenge even the largest tree roots. They can cut through soil and rock, a testament to its strength. It's great that the Bobcat E42R2 Mini Excavator easily removes hardwood trees, quickly clearing the forest. Thanks to the Manka Ripper tree stump destruction tool, obstructing tree roots are no longer a concern for workers. With great precision and durability, the tree root destroyer makes every job easier and more efficient. Let's see the mini excavator BH92 destroying a 14-year-old tree. Each new tree planting season is initiated with the help of a root destroyer, bringing hope for a clean and sustainable green future. Woodcracker R is a tree stump treatment machine that operates much more gently than other conventional machines. Amazingly, the Dipper Fox Crusher 850 Pro spindle on the UCB excavator can destroy up to 162 tree stumps in 1 hour. With a sharp blade, this wood splitter easily handles large diameter tree stumps. Not only that, with the ability to work with little noise and ensure safety, the SC6600 spindle is a reliable choice in destroying tree stumps for many households. Power, smoothness, ease of operation. Digging pine stumps with the Deere 270 DLC excavator brings results beyond expectations for users. Watch this tree stump destroyer remove a damaged Bradford pear tree. This monster tree stump was also easily taken down by this Seni Sci 50U excavator.
So you can get a little closer. It's ever so slightly.
The Vermeer South Colorloina 30 Texas tree stump cutter is the optimal solution for removing tree stumps effectively and easily. This compact yet powerful machine is designed to tackle stubborn tree stumps quickly. Each operation of the Revolution Tree Root Destroyer is an important step forward in protecting and restoring the environment. The Himax Stump Removal Bucket is an innovative multi-use skid steer attachment that lifts stumps and small trees off the ground faster than ever. With its user-friendly design, impressive cutting capabilities and compact size, the Vermeer SC30TX tree stump cutter is the perfect addition to any landscape arsenal. The skid steer stumper 280 stump grinder is a symbol of progress and efficiency in environmental management and protection. The Demonio 23 000 forest mower can handle areas up to 2.3 wide and 40 centimeters deep. In Sweden, people use Nordson excavators to process remaining tree stumps, preparing for the next afforestation process. The Atera drill is the progress and development of the community in destroying tree stumps and cleaning the environment.